Hey Glam Mommies, thank you for tuning in. It's me, Glam Mommy, aka Diablo Verde, and you are about to see how to achieve this look here, so stay tuned. Hey girl, thank you for coming back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for subscribing if you have subscribed. If you have not, stop right now and click that subscription button down below. And then hit the notification bell because you want to be notified anytime I upload, right? What's the point of subscribing if you don't know what I'm uploading, right? Also go over to my Instagram and my Facebook fan page. All will be linked down below. Today we're going to be doing a review / tutorial on another black owned makeup company. You know, we always want to support, and everybody knows this company. They have had major waves, they've done major things. They are in Ulta now. I think as of late 2018 they made their way, or mid 2018 they made their way into Ulta. It is no other than Juvia'S place. Let's get a round of applause. Okay, today's tutorial is featuring their Warrior palette by Juvia'S. I've had these palettes, anytime they come out with a palette, except the last one because I'm trying to save money. But anytime they come out with a palette, I try to purchase it. I'm a big advocate, big person of support black owned businesses. So I always try to support and purchase their latest palettes or items. That way, just purchase something, That way they can get my coins instead of, somebody else that, they already have millions and millions of supporters for their people, from their people. So this is the Warrior palette by Juvia'S. I love every palette has like its African theme or Afrocentric. So this is the Warrior palette, and these are the lovely colors on the inside. They're so pigmented. I used I used this color, and the two golds in the center to achieve my simple glam look. Very pigmented. And I'll swipe it, like, look at that, one swipe, so freaking gorgeous. And that's the color I have on the inner corners and as my underbrow highlight. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Super easy lessons on how to blend, and yeah, enjoy. Bye. Down for you.
When I'm down on my ways, I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my ways. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my ways. I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my ways. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my. Hate my old bitch, that's passion. Love this music, that's passion. Life is hard and that's facts. I'm insecure, so I'm acting. That way the hands start clashing. I'm in my feelings, I'm crashing. And I don't know what to do, nah. I don't know what to do, cause I've been down this road before. Not to take it personal, but if I hit that and don't call back, then you gon' take it personal, right? So I'ma do right when the mood's right. I'm just tryna be the type that you like, but the shit you say get me tight. I can't even breathe right when I'm down on my ways. I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my ways. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my. was you so forgetful for? Gave you love, you don't need no more. Very stingy, I know myself. Sprung, baby, you need some help. And everybody wanna hear my new shit, cause they missed it. But all I talk about is your tulips. Cause you talk too much and your hips don't lie. This don't make no sense. And oh my god, see my new chick so damn ruthless. Old chick let me down in Houston. Had to check her off of my checklist. Shoulda never get a hold my necklace. Now I'm bound to do better. Tryna be legendary J Dilla. Don't get offended if I don't feel you. Fell in love, I have no feelings. Oh my god, not to take your name in vain, but I am going insane. I'm going crazy, I'm just saying. I need these angels, need no stress, and I need love. I need these blessings, I need you. But what am I to do? I'm confused, cause lately I've been tripping off the weed, baby. You're the only one that I need. Know my lifestyle's gon' drive you crazy, but you might be the one. Lately I've been trying to find myself. I feel like I don't need nobody else, but you got me caught up in your spell. That you may be the one. I'm just trying to be a winner. Man, I've been in my zone, but this shit just take too long. I've been trying to get on to be a winner. Oh, please don't hit my phone when you see that I got on, man. I done got on to be a winner.